highs in the upper 60s. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, Central Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northeast of Claremore, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include Claremore, Pryor Creek, Adair, Foyle, Big Cabin, Hoot Owl, Strang, Bushy Head. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 249 and 276.